Hey yo, that natural curly hair make me stop and stare. That natural curly hair, girl, it make me stop and stare. Natural curly hair make me stop and stare. That natural curly hair, girl, it make me stop and stare.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is no hair video. I just wanted to do a quick Amazon haul of things that I've recently gotten and that I really do enjoy and wanted to share with you guys. Most of it is like house stuff, so bear with me. I do have more stuff coming, and maybe we can make this like a whole little thing because I love Amazon, as I'm pretty sure most of you guys do, or you wouldn't be watching this video. So let's get started. Now, the first thing I wanted to mention is this. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger, and I actually seen this on TikTok, which is how I got the idea to even want it. I see a lot of stuff on TikTok. I got a lot of stuff coming from TikTok that I plan on. It's just, I mean, it gets you right. So yeah, this is the 3-in-1 wireless, so you can charge your phone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. So it's really cute. It's really compact too. Like, I have the phone on the stand, and even in my case, it still charges wirelessly. It charges the watch and AirPods, and I even seen one that has like the Apple Pen if you have that, and charges everything at once. So this is really convenient. I like sometimes worry about having too many things plugged in, so this is really good. It was about $36.99. They do have cheaper ones. They also have rose gold, silver, like anything you want. I just got black because it goes with like a lot of stuff in my room, and I really do love this. You can charge everything at once, and it's like, why not? The next thing I got are these laundry baskets. Now, I know laundry baskets are boring, but I really needed some new ones, and these are cool because it has like a cute little handle on it. So if you have your living room, not your living room, if you have your like laundry room downstairs or outside, around the corner, like wherever, you could just use the handle and take it with you. And I also like that it has like a little net, so you can, like, once it's full, it's just, I don't know, close it up with the net. Like, I really do like it. I got 3 of these. I got one in beige, gray, and black. I don't know why I got 3 different colors, but one will be for lights, darks, and then like maybe colors or something like that. So it's just 3 different ones, and they're kind of small, so you could line it up and it just still be like really organized looking. And I just really needed some new ones. It's sturdy on the side. It has like a little bar in it, and yeah, I really like it. So these were about, I'll find a link to everything. I don't remember like exactly what the prices were, but yeah, I got this. Now, I don't currently have the physical one in my possession because it's in the wash, but I got this Sweet Sweat waist trimmer. So this is what it looks like. It just has Sweet Sweat on the front, and it is like Velcro. I got a size small, and I've been using it, and it really does like really help you sweat. It came with a little sample of their Sweet Sweat like pomade that you can put on your stomach, but I actually got a different one that I had seen better reviews on, so I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, the belt, this is not like, this is close to what it looks like, but it's not my real one because again, it's in the wash. But it basically is just like a long thing like this, and it has like the this part kind of almost feels like, not leather, but like, I don't know, like a silicone maybe. I don't really know like the texture, but like this helps you sweat, and that traps in all that heat and stuff like that. And then it has like Velcro, so you could really like adjust it to what you need it to be around your waist. So this is kind of what mine look like, but again, it has like the Sweet Sweat on the front, and it has like yellow and black. So yeah, it just really helps me sweat on my stomach like I want, because I want to get rid of that stomach, get some abs going, and I always need new products when I'm about to start working out. So along with that, I got this TNT Pro Ignite. This is the original formula, and you just put this on your stomach or wherever you want to, start sweating, and it'll help you sweat. It's like a grease type of consistency. It looks like grease. It doesn't really have a smell. And so you put this on, it really intensifies your workout a little bit more, so you'll sweat even faster. And I really do like this. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. And so pairing this with the sweat belt, you can work out for like 10-15 minutes, and then when you take it off, you're drenched. And I have a video I can insert so you guys can see what I'm talking about. When I take the belt off, it's like a bunch of sweat, and it's just like you feel like you made progress because you see the results, aka the sweat. So yeah, again, I will leave links down below for everything because I don't really remember. So next I got this dehumidifier. It looks like this. It's actually going in the back over there in the corner. Where is it? Right there. So it's really small for rooms, and you can put it in living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms. It just really soaks up any, you know, extra moisture. I live in the basement, so it gets, you know, humid down here, so you want to soak all that up so it's not like creating things like mold or whatnot. So that is really good. It's really silent and it catches a good amount of water. You don't hear it at all, so that's really good. It's safe and reliable. It saves energy, and it's just really cute. It's like white, and it's almost like a white noise machine to me, because when I'm sleeping, like, you hear it, but it's like very, very faint, so you focus on that when you're sleeping. It just kind of helps you sleep a little bit better, at least for me. So yeah, that thing was like, I think $40. I do plan on getting another bigger one in the other side of my room, because that one might be too small to like really capture the whole room, but it works and I like it and it's working for me. I just might get a little bit of a bigger one. Yeah, I have no complaints about it. You just plug it into like a UPS cord, and you're good to go. So next I got a lamp, and this is the Maxwell LED shelf floor lamp. So it looks like this. It's actually right over here in the corner. So it has, you know, the light part here, and then it has like a little pulley switch thing to turn it on and off, and it has 3 shelves, so you could like really put anything you want to kind of like decorate, you know. It's 9.5 watts, and it is like 5 foot. It's like 5 feet tall, so it's not like that tall, but it's like the perfect size for in my room, and it's a little bit taller than me, and I'm like 5'4", so you can say it's like 5'5". I really do like it because it's also like a statement piece, and if you really wanted to, you could like dress up the shelves, or you could leave them bare, but it's like really cute. It's sleek, black and white, it looks modern. It's cute, it's fun to have, it's different. I haven't seen like lamps that looks like, you know, that. So and it fits in the room well, and this light has a good amount of light, so I really do like it. Last but not least, I have 2 other things that I'll show you, but I have to take you to it because they're all plugged up and working. So just to get you to see, this is the actual dehumidifier. It's on right now, but you can barely hear it, and it has light, so you can just turn it off. So this is what it looks like. What I really wanted to show you was this lamp right here. This lamp is really cute, and what I like about it is that it has 2 UPS ports, and it also has 2 actual plugs in the back. And if you touch it, it comes on, so you can touch it 3 times to turn it on and off, and I found that really convenient, so you don't have to struggle and find a light switch. You just touch it and it will come on and go off, and it's pretty bright. We put smart lamps in here, well, smart bulbs, so you could change the color also if you wanted to. And then lastly was this little thing. This is like a power cord thingy, but like you can also unplug the different sections, or you could just have it like a tower like this. We have a lot of stuff plugged up, so it looks kind of messy, don't mind that, but it's really convenient because you can just charge so many things at once. And if you are like me, then you have a lot of stuff to plug in: lamps, dehumidifiers, wireless charger, this charger I just mentioned to you guys earlier. So these things are convenient for me. Alright guys, so that is all for this Amazon haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have anything that you want me to buy, please leave a link down below, and I might look at it because I'm always on Amazon, so why not? Let's have like a little chat going on. What are you liking? What are you using? Everything like that. I will make sure that I leave links down below, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.